Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making very moist and fluffy coffee date and walnut cake. I have taken the lion dates and I have chopped them into small pieces. Now in a bowl I am going to add some coffee. You can add any kind of coffee. I had added Nescafe coffee. To this I am adding some water. That is 2 cups of water, boiling water, and to this I'm going to add the chopped dates and leave it for around half an hour for the dates to get soft and to absorb the coffee. While the dates are nicely getting soaked in the coffee, I'm going to take some sugar and butter and I'm going to beat it till it mixes well. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and please do share and comment. You can use the hand mixer for this. I have just used my hands to beat this well. Now to this I am going to add 1 egg and I am going to mix it till it gets a little smooth. If you do it by hands, it will take some time. So it is always better to do it with the hand mixer or the stand mixer. Now this have become a little smooth. To this I am adding some vanilla and I have mixed it, and now I'm adding some flour and baking soda, some coffee powder and some nutmeg. You can even add cinnamon. I have not added cinnamon because I just had cinnamon rolls yesterday, so I don't want to have cinnamon again, so that's why I have not added cinnamon in my cake. Now I'm going to mix this all well by adding the coffee and date mix. Mix it well till all the flour has mixed into the mixture. I have roughly chopped 1 cup of walnuts. You can actually add any kind of nuts if you want, but I have added walnuts because walnuts are my favorite, and this is the coffee walnut cake. That's why I have added walnuts. I have cut my walnuts into big pieces because I like the crunch in the slice of my cake. Once you mix everything well, you have to grease the mold and put it in the mold and bake it for around 45 minutes or till your toothpick comes out clean at 180 degrees Celsius. After putting it into the mold, just tap the mold once to remove the extra air bubbles. My cake is baking. Yes. And I'm poking the skewer and looking if the cake is ready. See, my skewer has come out clean and my cake is ready. I will serve it after half an hour. If you cut it hot, the pieces won't come nicely. See, I am cutting it after half an hour and my cake pieces are nice, soft and fluffy. This is a very nice recipe. So please do try and please do comment in the comment box below. Thank you.